Today is 29th July 2015, Wednesday. Right, so today the main announcement was the FOMC statement and federal funds rate. It stayed at 0.25% as expected. Now, today's FOMC statement is best summed up by this news in Financial Times. Dollar whipsaws as Fed leaves door open. So there was not much movement in currencies today, and otherwise there was nothing of note regarding currencies that came out today. So let's take a look at the charts. So euro dollar, today euro fell down. Or this could be a reflection of dollar gaining strength. Now this is an interesting bit, so euro could be falling down further from here. Pound dollar has been stagnating around the same mark, so neither pound nor US dollar is winning in this game. Dollar yen moved up, so we might be tempted to think this is a strength of dollar, but I looked at Nikkei and Nikkei moved up as well, so this may be more a reflection of the Japanese economy rather than US dollar. So if you look at Nikkei now, so Nikkei moved up today. Sorry. And dollar Canadian, after the steep fall yesterday, it's stabilizing there. So, but I think there's some correction due for dollar Canadian. Aussie dollar fell down today, so this may be a reflection of more of dollar strength. I think tomorrow the Reserve Bank of Australia's chief is speaking, I think. Yep, RBA Governor Stephen speaks, so this may affect the Aussie tomorrow. And the Kiwi dollar has been around the 20 EMA. So I think this will mostly depend on the US dollar. So if US dollar strengthens, I think this will fall down further. But having said that, it has fallen down hugely from around 0.75 mark to 0.65, so around 1,000 pips fall, so there may be some correction due. Euro yen didn't move much today, so the region it's around is should be stagnating for a while. Same thing in weekly as well. Pound yen moved up today, so this may be a reflection of dollar yen and yen. So Nikkei moved up, so dollar yen moved up, and pound yen moved up as well. But because pound may be strengthening in the future, so there may be some room for this to move up. Euro Canadian fell down yesterday and today. It will at least fall down to around 20 EMA mark, I think. In the weekly, it's in an uptrend, but in this cross, we're not sure this uptrend will be lasting for a long time or not. Pound Canadian has been stagnating for the last week, last few days. But the thing to note is in the weekly, it formed a doji. Look at this one, for example. So I think it may fall down from there. Euro Aussie fell down yesterday. Today it stabilized. This is because Aussie fell down today as well, so hence there's not much movement. But we should bear in mind that it was around the last high, so from here it may fall down. And pound Aussie has been on a slow and steady movement up. We looked at Nikkei, S&P, I think has been bouncing up from 200 EMA. In the weekly, it's in a proper uptrend. in FTSE today and yesterday bounced up. I think we should be careful of the weekly trend here. So here it's in an uptrend and it may be bouncing up from the 200 EMA, even though in daily it looks like it's downtrend, but I think in long term it's in an uptrend. The dollar index moved up today, and I looked at the 96 one as well, so it was alright. Not much of a movement. Looks like oil price are reversing up now, so this may be some correction, I think. And same thing with Brent as well, some correction. Gold was stagnating around the 1100 mark. So in general today, except the FOMC one, so looks like everyone was waiting for the FOMC, and the rate hike may still be going ahead in September, but Janet Yellen doesn't seem to be very clear about it, or I think a more better way to put it is she hasn't said she will do it, but she's saying so she's more inclined to raise it. The Fed leaves options open for rate rise. Alright, let's leave it there for today. Tomorrow there's advanced GDP coming out for USD that we should be looking at, and unemployment claims. And that's it. So let's come back tomorrow.